Today's video, we are going to talk about I-129F processing times for June 2026. If you are new to this channel, my name is Liman and I make videos for a family-based immigration to simplify the immigration process and give you confidence to go through your immigration journey by yourself. First of all, I am not an immigration attorney. I'm here to help you based on the information I have from USCIS website. If you find this video very helpful, please subscribe, share for the future upload, give us a big like so YouTube can share the video to more people. So if you're ready, let's get started. First, let's talk about the factors that affect I-129F processing times. Generally, USCIS processes cases in order they receive them. However, each case is unique and it will depend on the following factors. First factor is USCIS workload and policies. The overall workload at USCIS, including the number of applications received and staffing levels, can affect the processing time. As you may know, some months they receive more applications than the other ones, just to have an idea. Second factor, which is the accuracy of the application. This one is on you. If you don't have a complete and accurate application with all required documentation, it will cause delays by request for evidence. This one is on you. You must have application complete and accurate. Third factor is the beneficiary's location. So where the beneficiary resides impact I-129F processing times. Simple example, people living in France, not the same people living in Mexico. Just simple example. Fourth factor is case complexity. Cases with complexities such as criminal record or previous immigration issues may require additional review and thus take longer to process. Background checks and security clearance extend the background checks or security clearance can also contribute to longer processing times. Just give you an example right here. If you've been, if you having too many fiancés within like a couple of years, it will cause a problem as well. So it will take a long time for background checks and security clearance. Just simple example. Now, this is the most question I get from a lot of people doing I-129F. Can I marry my fiancé while my I-129F is pending? My big answer is no. Why? Because you cannot convert I-129, which is I-129F K1 visa, to an I-130 CR1 visa case by getting married. You can't. So if you did I-129F, you must complete immigration with I-129F as K1 visa. To check the processing times, you need to go to this website right here, to this link on top. Select the form, I-129F. Form category is only one. We have K1, K2, K3, and K4. For K1 is fiancé of U.S. citizen. K2 is for children of a fiancé. K3 is a spouse of U.S. citizen as a fiancé. K4 is children of a spouse as a fiancé. Then select the field office. They have only one now, called Service Center Operation. So the processing time for petition for alien fiancé I-129F at Service Center Operation Scope is 12 months. As you can see, the processing time is going up. It went up from 11.5 to 12 months. But if you check the historical processing times for 2026, the processing time is 7.56 as of May 28. Let's move on now to the next part of this video. What happened next after your I-129F approved? So you need to understand what is the process. While your petition it's been in the process for approval, you must understand what happened next after I-129F is approved. So once your I-129 is approved, you will receive I-797 approved notice, like this one right here, basically telling you that they approved your petition. And then after a couple days or a couple of weeks, you will receive NVC welcome letter, basically telling you that they received your case, NVC received your case, they create your login credential and send it to you as a welcome letter. And for K1, he has only case number. This is what you need to complete your immigration journey. It does not go through NVC. Make sure you do everything by yourself. How you do that? You will go, first you need to check the status for your K visa. You will need to enter visa application type as immigrant visa, not non-immigrant visa, because it will create confusion. If the status is ready, you need to create your profile. As I mentioned, for K visa, you must do everything by yourself. NVC only send you a welcome letter. So you need to go to this link right here and click on create a profile or sign up now and create your profile or your account. Once you create your account and you log into your account, you must schedule your interview. This is once you log into your account, it's going to show like this right here. But before that, I didn't see this one right here. Once your K visa, is ready, they will send you this embassy will send you this email right here. This email is the confirmation that you may now schedule your interview appointment at U.S. Embassy in your country. Now, once you log into your account, it's going to show like this. Start application means start your scheduling interview. But before you do that, you need to complete this 160 and print the confirmation page. Once you schedule the interview, you will receive a welcome letter from U.S. consulate telling you that you scheduled interview at this day and time and location where you will have interview. So at the day of interview, applicant will, or the beneficiary will have interview with the consular officer, and the officer will ask some basic question about your case. If the consular officer says everything is fine, it will issue the visa and the packet will be delivered to your designated address by the courier services you selected within 7 to 10 working days from the visa issuance date. If something goes wrong, it will go to refuse and then will go under 221G, and the consular officer will select documentation you need to submit. If you submit a document and is refused again, it will go under administrative processing. For this status right here, your visa case is undergoing necessary administrative processing. This processing can take several weeks and sometimes even several years. Just follow up the instruction provided by the consular officer at the time of your interview. If the further information is needed, you will be contacted. So for administrative processing, so there is nothing you can do. If they need something from you, they will contact you. So this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. Thank you, and see you next video.